Thank you. We're honored to have you here for this preview. It actually opens on June 13. So meron pang baka may madagdag pa dyan ilang bagay. Pero for the most part, this is 95% complete, and I think you get a sense of the kind of experience that we want visitors, especially children and parents, to have here. Siguro to provide context, I just have a short presentation about the journey of Canvas. I founded Canvas in 2005. Baka meron pa hindi pinapanganak. So we've gone a long way. Yung flagship activity namin is a story writing contest. So basically, we work with an artist who will paint a painting. In this case, this is a painting by Jose John Santos. And we call it a contest piece. Tapos itong contest piece na to, we release the image on the internet and invite writers from all over the world, Filipino writers from all over the world to submit stories based on the painting. It's a competition, and the winning story is then painted by the same artist as a series of paintings. And that is how we are able to fund both the books and the organization. We sell the paintings, and the proceeds are used to publish books that are then given away to children in poor and disadvantaged communities all over the country. So from the painting to the stories, to a series of paintings, it turns into a children's book. In using this model, we've worked with dozens of Filipino artists, both known and unknown, and some of them were unknown when they started, and now they are beyond our reach. Now, the other program we have is called Art for Development. It's an Art for Development program because we use art to talk about social issues that we're interested in, particularly Filipino identity, human rights, climate change, to a certain degree, technology.